You know, those involuntary spasms of your diaphragm that always seem to strike at the most inopportune moments. Like when you're giving a presentation at work, or on a first date, or, just trying to enjoy a nice quiet meal without sounding like a malfunctioning robot. Seriously, what's the deal with hiccups? Why do they exist? What purpose do they serve? As far as scientists can tell, absolutely none. They're just one of those weird quirks of the human body. But hey, at least hiccups are usually harmless, right? And there you have it, folks. 10 hilarious ways your body overreacts to everyday things. Who knew our bodies were such drama queens?